Foam roller mistake? Mistake? Foam roller mistake? Oh my God! I can't believe I've been doing it wrong! Foam roller mistake? Not! Hey everybody, this is Brett. And today I'm going to show you specifically why you should ignore the Athlean X video talking about foam rolling and how you can make a mistake if you roll this way or that way based on anatomy, yada yada yada. We're going to talk about the real thing to be thinking about in these regards. Okay, so the first and foremost thing that people need to listen to and pay attention to when it comes to rolling on one of these rollers, whether it be foam or quality wood with latex, is that you need to listen to your body. If your IT band is sore right there, roll on it. If you get too mental about this, then it's going to distract from the workout and take away from your thinking about actually feeling what your body really needs. Instead of thinking what your body needs, we're going to feel what our body needs. Now, I'm not saying that it's not fine to look at anatomy charts and to try and decipher things mentally, but if you take that too literally, then you're going to suffer and you're going to be apprehensive about actually doing a quality job. And the quality job that I'm talking about is feeling for where it's sore, okay? Feel specifically where you need to get that roller on your body. It might be, and I don't know if you can see this. Okay, here we go. It might be on the inside of the leg. The inside of people's legs need to be focused on just as much as the outside, the IT band. One thing that's true is that everything works on opposites. And so if you've got a problem with a tight IT band, then you've probably got a stretched inner, like, femoris muscles and inner quads. And don't just roll the middle, the belly of the muscle. Roll all the way up, all the way to the tendons, all the way down to the knee now. See that? The action of natural latex rubber is so much better than foam. I kid thee not. So much better. Okay, so first of all, foam is not the best material to make rollers out of. And it's cheap, you know, plastic is cheap, but it's made out of petroleum products, okay? If you can't afford one of these cool wood rollers, and I'll put the link right up in the corner right there. If you can't afford one of these cool wood rollers that come from Thailand that have natural latex rubber, natural from the latex tree rubber on the outside of them, well then go ahead and get yourself a foam roller. But check these out on my website. These will last so much longer. And also foam breaks down, and so pretty soon you're not getting the same action as in the beginning. You'll notice that your foam rollers are starting to not feel the same. They're starting to get broken down. Unfortunately, when they go out to the landfill, they won't break down naturally, and they'll probably pollute the soil, and then the water, and then it gets back into your drinking water. Ooh, see, okay, right there. Okay. You know, a lot of those videos that Athlean X are making, Those are clickbaits, okay? I'm using his title in this video as a clickbait. But I'm telling you the truth in this video, and that is that you need to mostly focus on wherever it's tight and sore, and really take the time. Really take the time to release your body, and realize that all of the muscles are interconnected. They're all connected and they all affect each other, as well as the fascia on the outsides, okay? Okay, this is a 4-inch roller, and it's more aggressive, obviously, than the 5-inch roller because it's got a smaller diameter. And you can feel it too. You can feel this sucker. Get it right on a spot like that. If you want more pressure, completely lift your feet up. You can bend your knees like that to be able to get it right on the spot better even. Oh yeah. The only thing that's touching my body or the ground is my elbow. Now, here's a custom jobber that I made, which is solid wood. Solid wood. Pine, I believe this one is. Okay, so this doesn't have any rubber on the outside, so it's kind of a different feel. I'm using it on my hamstrings with my foot. It's hard to show this camera. Let's see. Okay, you cross the other foot over the top of that leg so that nothing's touching the ground. Need a camera person. And if you roll from left to right, then you'll be able to hit both sides. Okay, so many of you just can't get relief with a roller. And sometimes I'll get out this tool that I deem to be the when all else fails leg buster tool. And I'll be making these soon, but I'm not yet. Right now I just have this one for me. But how you use it is like this, and it strips the muscles instead of compresses them. Compression is one of the massage strokes, but it's not as effective as deep tissue like effleurage. This is stripping, and it's really, really aggressive. Okay, so the moral of the story is to know and listen to your body and feel for where it's tight and sore, and then dig it out. Get the pain dug out. No pain, no gain, baby. And also, it's really good to learn acupressure, and soon we're going to be doing some acupressure videos, y'all, so stay tuned. And also, please like and subscribe and make a comment down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be well. So just don't do it. If you roll too much here, it'll get too loose over here. And then it'll become too tight down here. And then all of this will become inflamed, and then you'll get tendinitis.